Go ahead. Wait, do that shit. I didn't get it. Brian, do it real quick so I get it on snap.
Come on.
Brian, do it so I get it on snap.
I've been talking to them for the past 10 minutes.
I tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up.
So Brian got a new daily.
Put the window down, nigga.
He got a whole sound system in there.
Straight out of Kmart.
Kmart sound system.
Kmart boat. Look at the smoke coming out. He's gonna scrape. He's fucking low. We just turned the music down to focus.
What did those cars have, bro? Isn't it a rotary motor?
Yeah.
Ah.
It's 5 JZ.
For real?
Yeah. You didn't know?
No, is that... Are they rare?
Rare as they can be.
Like super rare?
Dude, you know how many lurks he spent on that?
Oh. Dale tú usted.
Dale, dale. Suátale, papa.
Oh, he on the phone with his boo.
This system sucks ass. Oh!
Put the stickers on the side.
Dude, what the fuck?
What?
Fucking shit. Hit my face on purpose 3 times. Ooh. Dude, what's this, Brian? What's this? Is this for the middle, huh? Is this for the middle?
Let me see.
It looks like it. Dude, get this piece of shit out! Get this shit! Fuck! Fuck! Let's buy a John Deere lawnmower and take everything out and make it lightweight and we just ride the fucking lawnmower. What? What's in your ass? Ooh.
Here they are! I found them, guys!
Dude! The fuck yeah!
We need those for Christmas!
Fuck Christmas! I crashed my car on Christmas! And I fucking hate Christmas!
I crashed my car on Halloween.
Yo, how is this broken?
Put that together. It's the drive-by.
It's the only part that's broken? Huh? You lying. You have super glue? Really glue?
Bro, take that shit.
Yo!
Ooh!
What? You're right!
Just hold this shit, bro. Just hold the throttle cable, bro. What do you mean? It's not broken?
Now, man, you just drive like this and you, oh, I'm sorry.
Yo! Dude!
You just pull this up, man. You
Fucking in my Air Force One!
You drive like this. Look, check
And
it
you go like, and it'll actually go down. Dude!
Tell that my hoes.
Dude, put it together, bro. We got this.
Waking it up.
It's like, hey, mom, you want to ride? She's like, yeah, turn it on. She just blasted on. She said, no, she's not riding.
How'd you stop it? You had to hop on?
Nah, I just grabbed by here, man. I was just trying to.
You got a hole in your shorts, man.
Where, by his ass? For real? Oh, for real? You bend over so I can check. Nah, you gotta bend over for, like, front more.
Turn. Yeah, man. Bend down. Touch your toes.
Touch your toes. Like, dude, you're bad at doggy style. You bend your back too much. You watch out, there's a cord there.
I don't know, fucking. Yeah, man, I thought it was it too, man, but it's the fucking brake.
Alright.
Ooh.
Oh my god. You're like a douchebag.
Look, Nick, it's a toy.
Ariel?
Yep.
Wasn't this welded, bro?
Shit, man, I broke it. I broke it, man.
How was this supposed to stay together?
Huh?
It was welded for
no.
a reason.
What? Throw the fucking wheels on. We're ready to ride.
What else do you need for this? That's it?
Huh?
What else do you need for this? That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
So how the fuck you tighten it?
How do you
With
get
the
it?
fucking rim, man.
What the fuck?
It's a one hole thing. Nigga, look. It has one hole. How are you supposed to fucking...
One hole, what are you talking about? The hole goes through here, man.
So what's this?
I don't know.
Are those
Oh,
brakes?
it's right there, it's right there. That black shit, yep. That gold.
Alright guys, Adam LZ, you know, I'm out of here. You know what I'm saying? Vote from, oh, I don't know.
Ooh, I gotta put that in the video.
No, don't put it. Hey man.
There's some awkward motherfuckers, man. Joe, man, I need to buy this 350.
Dude, how do you use this? Yo, am I using this right?
I think so.
Nice, man. I gotta get my clutch leg ready. When you start hearing those sounds, it means you're doing it really right, okay?
Joe, that's sense.
That means you're putting the coat in metal.
Oh man, no, I don't think that's what it means.
What, man? What?
We're just running like working with this, right?
You don't use that for that section.
So get anchor, right?
Get a wrench.
Get right in there.
Dude, my arms are killing me, bro.
Bring it up.
Brian,
10.
give me a small size, man, that fits you. 10, alright? Give me 10.
Show me 10.
Yeah.
Here's 10 right here. Right.
Oh!
Shortest 10, man.
Check it on the side, man.
You sure?
Huh?
You sure? Now this is the wrong size.
Look,
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go for it, grab it. It's
fix the
not
bottom right now. Oh, I know fix.
Crank it up.
Gotta cut it off, alright?
Is the throttle even connected, bro?
No, man, that's what I say. You pull it, man. Look,
It's not even connected to the motor, though.
man.
Nice!
Nice.
Dude, that smells like a whole lot of John Deere, bro.
That's what you call a lawnmower.
Wow.
Oh, fucking. I mean, moped.
Chinatown Grand.
Sure, man. Somebody has to hop on that longboard and hold on from here.
You can, because I have no phone.
So, you know how to fuck around?
Yeah, man, I know how to ride a bike. You know how to ride a longboard, so it works better.
I know how to record shit.
Yeah, so you can be
Oh, break it up.
Dude, if I bring the
You put it
bro.
together.
Break it to the gym, man. I'm gonna wait for you now.
I'm done. Bro, hold the fuck up, bro. How loose that shit is, nigga.
That doesn't matter, man. It came like that.
What?
Because the bottom is welded, man.
Oh, this ain't on the way.
Why?
Shoe gonna be fine, man. Yo, let me
Dude.
see that,
Dude, the front wheels are coming up, man, alright?
Okay.
So,
yeah.
dude, I'm gonna wheel this shit. You wanna bet?
11.
Dude,
Just
well, for a reason.
take it easy, man.